Hey guys, welcome to this lecture where we're going to be doing our fore and hind limbs. Just a basic block out again. So if I click, are we in edit mode again? If I press 3 on your keyboard, select this face. And we could probably scale this guy up, press S on your keyboard, like so. Just scale that up a bit. To extrude again, okay, undo that to scale up everything. To extrude again, I could probably just move this vertex probably more to the center. Press 1, select this one vertex and just shift it upwards like so, so I can get like a basic arm going on here. If you go to press Z and go to wireframe mode, you can see our arm is somewhere over there. So ideally we would want to make sure that we're selecting everything. So I select this in wireframe mode, and over here you just move it roughly towards that. Doesn't have to be precise again. Press Z and move backwards. Press 3, select the face, and then we'll press E to extrude this outwards like so, and probably press E again to extrude. G, move that side view, rotate that guy, press S to scale, and then I'm gonna press G again to move it downwards a bit, and press E to extrude, press R to rotate, and then press G to move that downwards. So press S to scale. You just move it downwards to the bottom like the basic leg. Just gonna do one side and then I'll just copy everything to the other side. So I want to select this edge loop. If I go to press 2, and if I hold on Alt option and double tap or left mouse click, I can select this edge loop. Go to the side front view, press R. I'm gonna rotate that guy a bit, and I'm gonna scale it up down its head. Just supposed to get the basic skeleton, and double tap the side. I'm gonna rotate him and also scale it down. Just move it downwards like that, and we have a basic leg, front leg. So the forelimb, and I'm gonna do the hind limb. Press 3 on your keyboard, select this face. Same process. Just press E to extrude that guy, and then R to rotate him. Show in front view. Just rotate him a tad. Just G to move him. Press E to extrude. R to rotate. And just G to move him downwards. Press S to scale. Just scale him up, and R to rotate. Like so. And we have that. Now that's not correct, so we need edge loops. Go to Z, go to wireframe mode, and I'm going to add edge loops over here. Press 2, 2 on your keyboard, select this loop, just move it that it roughly aligns with this. Press Ctrl R to add an edge loop, just shift it over here. Press S to scale it down. Press G to move it, and I'm going to add another edge loop. Ctrl R, 1, and wait a second, and press G, move that, press R to rotate, and double tap, hold on auto options, and then rotate this guy also. It might be just facing that side. I'm probably just S to scale it up a bit. Like that. Select the last bottom loop there at the bottom. Okay, I can't select it properly. Just move out of this. Just make sure that it's kind of hard to select. Hold down Shift, click Select, and then I'm going to snap again. S to scale, and just move this towards that. Double tap this loop, press G, just move it like that, roughly following our sketch like that. And then if you go to the front view, you can probably scale these up. Press S, you can scale that up. Hold up the loop, you can scale that up also if you want to. In my case, I'll just leave it like this, in this manner. Hold down Z, go back to solid mode, and this is what we have. Now ideally we want to mirror everything to the other side. What to do, so we go to this side and we'll press 1, select point, press Z to wireframe mode, select all the faces from this side, drag, select these faces, press X to delete vertices. I deleted a few of them now. Okay, I would need an edge loop over here, so press Ctrl R, click and press escape, and then click select, and then delete X, delete all vertices. Now I press tab. If I go to my cube selected, these modifiers that we use, which work very nicely because they don't affect the mesh, so it's basically working non-destructively, which I strongly recommend you guys to do. There's this working thingy over here, toolbar, click that, and then you get this add modifier. Click add modifier, and then press mirror. So we want to mirror this to the other side. Luckily we have X selected, so it mirrored in the X axis. So just make sure, if for example Z, go back to solid mode, just make sure that you have clipping selected. What clipping does, it merges the center vertices at the centers. You see I can't move them outward. If I uncheck this guy and I move this vert, you see it gets opened. So but if I have clipping on, it will merge as they meet at the center. So just make sure you have clipping selected. Now anything we do on this side will be done on the other side also. Pretty much cool. If you click this guy, you see now I can work like so, which is super cool. So this vert, press G. Now I can have that like so. Now we have a basic block out of the base skeleton, the base mesh of our creature, and I'll see you guys in the next class when we will start blocking out some of the proportions. So thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next class.